Hey, Sap. Happy lunch. Hindi, puro sa nandito yung laman dito, taba?
Makita pa, bungo mo.
Gumawa sa naman.
Puro naman kaya ako pinayin.
What's up, madlang people? Hindi na kami magkaon.
Nagkaan.
Alin?
Magkakot sa bigla. Na, magkaon. Na. Gamitin ko yan.
Shout out ka sa na nagsisilong. 1 million viewers. Shout out ka ninyo namin. Shout out sa 2 million viewers. Nagyan mo si Gerald sa hamster combat.
Na, hamster combat.
Kasi gusto magyaman sa hamster combat. Comment na sa nakamusiton.
Comment ka sa natin, invite. Sarap ito ni.
Ipit mo alin.
Lower signal. Liliwas.
Adobong orig.
Na. Hamster combat na.
Napalumot sa maran. Aparon. Ikaw mo, ito bang panggatan ng mga bayan? Nagkukuliki ka, ito bang mo? Laro. Hamster combat. Tap-tap sa nang
Mga bago pa nito, tuturuan.
Sa mga gusto magnayamon, comment ka mo. Tuturuan na mo. Invite ka mo na mo. Oops, nawala. Hmm. $5 million na. Share ko lang. Hindi ka magbabayad. Hamster kumbatan. Mag-comment na sa nakamuta. Invite ko ka mo. Share ko link.
Mga alis. Nga ko na.
Hamster combat. Comment na sa nakamusiton. Sa gusto mag-gamon.
Invite na mo.
Invite ka mo na mo. Share na mo link.
Tuturuan na sana ako. Amo sa mga namain na mo. Mag-main kita. I-main ta. Eh, 3 million na daw sa do. Mat, ibay ka. Mat. Nagdalabitan ninyo, Mat. Ibay ka mo na.
Ma-report ako, bawal lagi.
Mat.
May nanggad kita sa usad.
Ano, pasaya na rin.
Amo, kawan ko yun.
Pasaya na.
Legendary pa sana ako. May claim naman kita. Ang bagal. Pero day ka na magkuha. Mabayad ka na. Nagkukuha yan sa ano, mag-claim.
Dara.
Okay na sila.
Gayaw na ko.
Nani?
Hey hamsters! Have you heard that Roaring Kitty has you love and that Boring Bitcoin might be actually a good thing. Let's see today's headlines to find out more. Sony is entering the crypto space. Whoa! The Japanese tech giant acquired a crypto exchange in 2022 and is finally ready to go live with it. The exchange is being renamed from Failfin to AsBlocksCo. It would be so awesome. It would be so cool. Vitalik Buterin believes Ethereum transactions can be faster. In his latest post, the Ethereum co-founder explained that Ethereum's Gasper consensus mechanism uses technology that makes it more and more uncomfortable for user experiences. Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, might be onto something new. The famous GME trader tweeted in support of an American pet store, Chewy. And now the recent SEC filing shows that he owns 6.6% of the company. And his Prioslav GME stock fell 9% following this news. The US presidential elections are moving crypto markets apparently. A DeFi prediction platform Polymarket has become the world's largest election prediction market built, and it's built on blockchain. Over $200 million in crypto is placed on how the elections are gonna play out, with 66% bets on Trump's victory. Former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal is big on Solana. 90% big. Paul, who is a co-founder and CEO of Real Vision, says 90% of his crypto is allocated to Solana, and he's expecting an explosive growth of the coin's price. He also believes that the altcoin market, excluding Ethereum, is poised to increase by 10 times.
That we can see a 10x in the entire market cap of altcoins X Ethereum.
Boring is an opportunity. It might not be the most exciting time for Bitcoin, but it might be a good buying opportunity, CEO of the data platform CryptoQuants, Ki Young Ju thinks. Well, that's all for today. Thanks
Bye-bye.
for watching. Subscribe and remember, hamsters have power. One for all and all for one. See you tomorrow.
Hamster Combat. Mali.
Invite na mo. Hamster Combat. Kaya na mo sa GC.
Nakul na. Comment din sana po.
Para ma-invite. Tuturuan.
Sa maglaro. Hamster Combat. Yun lang. Bye-bye.